Check this out. See how many people are going to ride this wave. What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people riding down this wave. This is another clip from the day after the Eddie 2023, and it was still big and huge and fun, and people were charging it. Lots of people out in the water just going after it. And this was in the afternoon, one of my favorite waves to watch because so many people hopped on it and just rode it hard, and it's a lot of fun, and quite a few of them stayed up for it, so pretty awesome. There were so many people in the water the day after the Eddie, just competing for the big wave still. They could just hop out there and go for it. Thankfully, lots of skis in the water to keep people safe also. It was really cool to see continued big conditions the day after the Eddie and people still just charging it. Swell stayed big, periods were still big, lots of power out there, lots of great surfers, lots of fun rides. I hope you got to watch some the day after also. It really was a lot of fun to see so many people ride this wave. I know I started out in slow-mo with it, but here we go, sped up. I really like looking at these comparisons of slow-mo versus full speed. You know, slow-mo looks like easy and like anyone can do stuff. And then you speed it up to regular speed and it's like, oh wow, you really see the seriousness and excitement of the situation.